Okay, I have here an Abloy Ava. There you can see it works with the key. Now, at first I thought this was a type of disc-detainer lock because of the angled cuts in the bitting, but it's actually a type of wafer lock. The wafers actually slide, and it is pickable. You tension the first disc and go in and pick the individual wafers. Takes a bit of messing around with the tension. And a bit of patience. And there we go. You can see it's unlocked. The tailpiece where the cam goes is rotating freely. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that back to the lock position and show you that indeed it does function with the key. There's a shot of the keyway. And another shot of the bitting. And that was picked with my indispensable Sparrows double-end tension wrench. I can't say enough about this. It's gotten me into countless locks, both high and low security. So, you know, peace as always. Kick me a rating if you figure it was worth the watch. Don't break the law. Check out Key Picking. It's a great site. And Sparrows. Thanks for the support, man. You guys are great. And check out UK Lockpickers if you're across the pond. They got a lot of good stuff there. So, till next time, have fun.